Experience nature's embrace every day. Embark on a journey through the wilderness to meet your true self and find the secret of long-lasting beauty. Meet AquaHomeGroup's luxury filtered showerhead. The showerhead sustains quality performance for up to 580 showers. Constructed exclusively with high-quality components, such as a brass swivel ball joint and a high-grade silicone nozzle, our showerhead is enriched with various vitamins to invigorate your body. Feel the power of nature with every shower.
Feel the power of nature in every splash.